parents' role in youth probation and deviant behavior. Introduction. Parents can play a crucial role in the juvenile justice system, as various studies suggest that the influence of parents in children's education contributes to the development of the behavior that leads to juvenile offenses. An investigation of the issue in relationships between a juvenile and a parent may decrease the youth's rate of repeat offenses. Hence, the statement of the research is, does social work with parents of juvenile offenders on probation decrease the youth's rate of repeat offenses? Explanation of the research topic in the statement of research question. Crime theories help to gain a better understanding of the motives of the behavior among juveniles. Such knowledge can be used to investigate issues associated with the parents participating in the youth's probation. For instance, the labeling theory of crime supports the necessity of parents' interference in the youth probation, as it can help to decrease deviant behavior recurrence. According to Bernburg, the labeling theory of crime states that individuals who are labeled as deviant ones may start adopting dominant stereotypes toward themselves, especially if the officer labels them. Such thinking can increase the risk factor of the behavior to become stable and chronic, which may lead to the recurrence of the offense. Hence, it raises the risk for future criminal behavior even though the causes and conditions of the deviant behavior may vary. Interference of the parents in the process of youth probation may break the chain of events where juveniles make the connection in their brains that creates stereotypes. Communication and continuous support hope to decrease the likelihood of deviant behavior repetition. Computer hacking became a prevalent form of offense in recent years, which initiated a need to review self-control theory and social bonding theory, by which scholars aim to explain such behavior. The self-control theory assumes that all individuals are self-interested and inclined to commit a crime when the opportunity arises. Therefore, no matter what place or culture an individual comes from, low self-control leads to the delinquent act, as the rational person weights potential pleasure from the action against the potential pain of the act. The consequences that the theory carries are necessary to consider in the research, as it allows for discovering the mechanism of low self-control among juveniles. Such an understanding can help to educate parents so they can get involved in a more meaningful interaction. Social bonding theory is another theory that focuses on the recurrence of offenses among juveniles. The theory states that weak ties to conventional society lead to antisocial behavior, which increases the risk of deviant behavior. The social bond consists of 4 elements, and the first refers to the emotional connection with valuable people. The family bond is an essential element that makes an individual holistic, which corresponds to the findings that relate parents' attitudes and criminal rate, stating that a positive attitude shows low deviant behavior. A study by Vidal and Woolard proves the importance of the investigation of the parents' role in juvenile crime, as they found that high parental support and a positive attitude decrease technical violations and delinquent offenses. Summary of literature review. The literature review aims to show how parents can both positively and negatively affect a child's behavior and either contribute to or refrain from deviant behavior. The first part of the review presents studies that show how crucial the situation in the family is, and how parents can contribute to the improvement of the situation with the crime rates among juveniles nowadays. The review refers to the study, which finds that an uncaring attitude increases the risk of repeat juvenile offenses. Along with the Vidal and Woolard findings, who use the opposite approach in the discovery of the parent's influence on a child's behavior, it reveals that parental support decreases the deviant behavior among juveniles. The literature review also considers the knowledge and experience parents should obtain to participate in probation. The enthusiasm itself is not enough, which has been supported by various studies that were conducted. Scholars suggest implementing a system where not only parents but also professionals will be involved. Such a multidimensional approach can establish a more productive relationship that can lead to positive juvenile outcomes. Hence, it is crucial to consider various sides of the issue and collect the most accurate data to understand if social work with parents can decrease the youth's rate of repeat offenses, as other factors are involved and can affect the outcome. Education on the topic related to legal matters and additional involvement of professionals are the established ways of preparing parents for participation in probation. However, the problem requires further investigation to determine how parents can understand how to work with children who are at risk of becoming offenders. In-depth research on the topic and the knowledge of primarily established theories regarding deviant behavior can contribute to a better understanding of how the system works and how it can be improved for parents to participate in the youth's probation to reduce offenses rate.